Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the best SaaS tools and lifetime deals to help you work smarter, save money, and get more done. Today we're talking about TeamPal, your all-in-one no-code AI workforce that handles your team's communication, project management, and productivity in one place. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions for chat, task tracking, and document sharing, TeamPal lets you create custom AI agents that actually work for you. Think of them as tireless digital teammates who never take a coffee break. Custom AI agents. Here's where it gets interesting. You can design AI agents with specific roles, like a marketing manager, HR assistant, or project lead. No coding required. Upload your brand guidelines or company docs, and your agents instantly learn your tone, processes, and goals. They're ready to answer questions, generate content, manage workflows, and keep your team moving in the right direction. Collaboration and real-time chat. Need to keep your human team in the loop? You can invite your team members to collaborate in real time, editing, testing, and improving your AI agents together. That means no more hunting for the latest file version or wondering if the update went through. Everything's in one place, accessible anytime. Task and workflow automation. TeamPal isn't just a chat tool. You can set up entire workflows so tasks get done automatically. From sending reports, to tracking progress, to reminding the right people before a deadline, it's like having an extra pair of hands, or 10. Deploy anywhere. Once your agents are ready, you can launch them instantly and embed them into your processes. Need a customer support bot on your site? Done. Want an internal training coach? Easy, no developers required. Here's where TeamPal really shines, the AppSumo Lifetime Deal. You've got 3 tiers to choose from, and all of them give you lifetime access, future updates, and a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Tier 1 is just $60. You get up to 25 AI agents, 5 published agents, 1,000 AI credits a month, plus 10 GB of storage. Tier 2 is $199. That bumps you to 30 agents, 10 published, 5,000 credits a month, 50 giga of storage, and 3 team seats. Tier 3 is $349. You unlock unlimited agents and published agents, 20,000 monthly credits, 100 gigabytes of storage, and 10 team seats. No subscription, no stacking codes, just pick your tier and it's yours forever. Considering tools like this normally run hundreds every month, this is an absolute steal. And you can upgrade or downgrade within 60 days if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.